Hello everyone, my name is Professor Mega. Today we are going to learn about poison. But what is poison? So, warning, beware. I'm worried that you're going to go crazy after you watch this video. Actually, no. I promise that you won't go crazy after learning about poison. Because although poison might be scary, it is still fun and good to learn about it. Poison is a substance or chemical that can affect living things such as humans, animals, and plants. It can only be seen with an electron microscope. Poison can also be called venom or toxin. First, let's talk about how poison affects your body. After we inhaled, touched, interjected, absorbed, or swallowed poison, it spreads to other organs such as your stomach, your kidney, your liver, and your heart. They take rides on your blood and destroy your tissues and cells. They can also damage your nerve system. The nerves send signals to your brain to tell it what to do. After the poison reaches it, your nerve systems cannot reach your brain, and your body will stop working without the brain's directions. Then, damage and craziness happens. There are many symptoms of poisoning. Vomiting is common in many cases, and choking, drowsiness, headache, stomach pain are also some examples. Some poisons even make your skin change colors. Don't worry. Poison is actually a normal thing seen all over the world. There are different types of poison. Poisonous insects and animals, poisonous plants, poisonous gases, or maybe even more. They are common in many places. Don't misunderstand these poisonous insects and animals. They don't mean to hurt us. They are trying to protect themselves. Their poison can be transferred through bites and stings. There are many species of poisonous insects and animals. There are poisonous amphibians, poisonous snakes, poisonous butterflies, poisonous ocean animals, and more. Poisonous amphibians include poisonous frogs and toads. Poisonous frogs and toads have poison in their skin. A poisoned dart frog is an example. The colors from their appearance warn predators to stay away from them. If you pick up one of them to admire its splendid colors, the deadly poison is already interjected into your hands. There are even a species of frogs called tomato frogs, and they either puff up their body or release thick white glue when they are attacked. Some examples of poisonous snakes are rattlesnakes, who rattle their tails to warn predators that they are poisonous, giant cobras, who spit venom from their fangs that harm their prey or enemies' lungs and heart, and the saw-scaled viper, who spray one of the most deadly venom of all snakes. Fun fact: snakes don't always want to waste their venom. According to studies, between 20% to 80% of snake bites are so-called dry bites, where the snake just wants to send a message without actually killing you. The snake uses its own energy and resources to make their venom, so they don't want to waste it. Poisonous lizards include the Gila monsters, who has neurotoxin poison that cannot kill a human, and Komodo dragons, an enormous lizard that are very dangerous, and more. Poisonous insects are also deadly. There are scorpions, tarantulas, and beautiful monarch butterflies. Don't be scared. Just stay away from them. I promise that none of them are in your garden. These poisonous plants are very poisonous, but they aren't quite as scary as poisonous insects and animals who normally don't wander in your garden. Poisonous plants won't attack you without reasons. They interject venom only if you touch them or eat them. There are many poisonous plants, including berries. Sorry, I didn't mean to say that your strawberries are poisonous. It's the wild berries that are poisonous, so your parents might tell you not to eat the berries that grow in the wild. Some examples of poisonous berries are nightshade berries, pokeweed berries, and holly berries. Other poisonous plants include stinging nettles, henbane, aconites, sundews, and cobra lilies. We have learned about poisonous animals, insects, and plants that are visible, which means that we can see them with our own eyes. Now here's something invisible but poisonous. Poisonous chemical gas. But these gases are not scary only if you move to an open space. There is CO1 or carbon monoxide. Some houses have CO1 detectors. Hydrogen cyanide, chlorine, and more. We use chlorine in swimming pools to kill germs. Fun fact. Once, someone put too much chlorine into a swimming pool and everyone ended up having bright green hair. Soldiers even use poisonous gases in war as a weapon. Now you know how fun it is to learn poison, even though it is quite scary, but we'll do our best to avoid them. First, don't eat wild berries. Second, wear clothes with long sleeves and long pants whenever you go to a national park or a place with lots of plants that are possibly poisonous. And third, listen to your parents or search in books and the web about more methods on how to avoid poison. Avoiding poison may decrease the possibility of being poisoned, but if we or someone is poisoned, call the ambulance control center right away by dialing 999 or 112. Tell them the time the person is poisoned, how much the poison is, how the person is poisoned, what poisoned the person, and tell them as much information as possible. Reassure the person when help is coming. If the person swallowed poison, get him or her cold water or cold milk right away. If the person stopped breathing, call 911. Or get him or her fresh air right away. If the person has poison in their skin, take off clothing the poison touched and rinse the skin for 15 to 20 minutes. If the person has poison in their eyes, rinse him or her eyes for 15 to 20 minutes. Oh, hey! Good news! Today I'm going somewhere special. It's a place with lots of hands, which my friend had told me about. I'm bringing some hen food with me. Where are the hens? There's nothing but leaves and weird yellow flowers. Oh, wait. I guess hen doesn't stand for the chicken. It stands for henbane, a type of poisonous plant. My friend has shortened the name. Oh no! I better go get some clothes with long sleeves and long pants before I get poisoned. Subscribe to our channel, Light Up Kids Science. Light Up Kids Chemistry.